in seminar hall, whether the sound is audible.
Yes, it's audible, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, good afternoon to all. I am Ashok Vidhate. Welcome to all delegates for this great session. I would like to tell you that this session is rested by more than 100 people, not only teachers, principals, the HODs, here most of the professionals and the students also. Today we are having the wonderful speaker with you who achieved a lot of in this a very short period of time. She developed herself in global business form. I hope we all be very happy for attending this great session. So, so I am very happy to tell about that Ms. Prachi, CEO founder Skylac Group, as a kindly concern to do a webinar and educate our faculty and students about how to use this technology and innovations in real life. I welcome Ms. Prachi ma'am. Uh, Prachi ma'am is an award winner, entrepreneur, lighting designer, international educator, translator, winner. She established herself as one of the foremost experts on the digital economy and how the fourth industrial revolution is transforming the global workforce, empowering the technocraft and accelerating government reforms across the globe. She is a member of ISA ISLE. She is experienced system integrated with building electrical architect with a demonstrated history of working in the special and electronic manufacturing industry. Professional with more than a decade qualitative experience in a lighting design application, home and building automation, project execution and training. She is founder and principal CEO of the multifaceted lighting designing and automation firm Skylac Automation Limited, Pune. Her passion for light is active as ever as she continues to travel all over the country designing lighting schemes for esteemed brands. Uh, Also, I will like to tell you that she also received awards such as Pride of Maharashtra, Japanese Translator, Best Social Entrepreneur. Thank you. Thank you all, and once again, welcome to all uh, delegates from the SMSM ACLOS. And I am glad to hand over this great session to Prachi ma'am. Please start the session, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for this wonderful presentation and wonderful information.
Thank you.
I'm not a great person. I'm very down to earth. I want to be a simple, but I want to be innovative. As our today's webinar is related to technology and innovation, so I urge you all, we should all focus on technology part as well as innovation. See, because nowadays everybody is running behind different things, but we should concentrate on our main focus. What is my main focus? What is my main area? What is my main we need to do accordingly. So today I will introduce you with some engineering innovation management, with some technology parts, some innovative things. So let me just start it. Wait a minute. Yes. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first, I'll introduce myself. I'm Prachi. I'm having my company in Pune, Skylab Group, Skylab Automation. Sir has already introduced. So this is not only for firms. This is as a passion. I would like to give each and every person a technological approach which inbuilt in myself, which you have in yourself. So we need to focus on our technology part. I will give you information one by one. First of all, technology. What is technology? What is innovation? So technological innovation processes approaches different innovation concepts. For example, we should focus on technology strategy, technology forecasting, technology road mapping, technology portfolio. First and very important thing is that technology strategy. Each business should have a certain strategy. Without strategy, we cannot go further. If I design something, but I don't have an innovative strategy, innovative structure, I can't do that particular thing on a different level. So for these things, we should categorize what is the important thing. So these are the four key factors by which we can decorate our technology part. First is technology strategy. We need to identify the logic of the technology. What is that technology related to? How my company grow? How I can grow this? How I can develop it? How I can innovate it? That is the main thing. Second is technology forecasting. Without any forecast, without any future, I can't design anything. Suppose, let's say, I have something in my mind, but I don't have anything in future. Like I don't have any roadmap. I don't have anything. How I can go further? How I can design for the future? So we can't do that. So I think this is the second and very important topic: technology forecasting. So we need to identify applicable technologies for the company and potentially to scout it. And third and very important and actual point is technology road mapping. So suppose let's say I want to design a product, I want to design a innovative thing. I need to have one technology roadmap. Without roadmap, suppose I want to go to Maharashtra, I want to go to Bangalore, I want to go to any particular place. Without knowing that roadmap, how I can go further? So in same we need to apply in technology part. We need to design technology roadmap. We need to authorize the transactions. We need to design advancement, apply in a business or market needs. We need to identify each and everything in this third point. Fourth and last point is technology portfolio. So without portfolio, we cannot run that particular product. For example, I want to design my own home sanitizer machine. For that, I need to design or I need to market first. Because without identifying market, what is the market need? Market need is different and I am developing a different product. I can't run that product in market on that particular level. For that, we need to identify technology portfolios. How we can accumulate these points relevant to product or operations. We need to determine which are identical or identical internal implementation. Last and not but the least, that implementation is very much important. I have designed technology, I have designed research, I have got research and development, but I don't have implementation. So that product goes fail. So implementation is very much important to execute that particular project. Then third point, technological innovation. Third slide. So product-oriented conversation, if you want to convert anything, for that we need these three things: input, conversion and output. So we'll discuss about input. First of all, before doing any R&D, before going further study, we need to get further input. What are the materials? How I can categorize it? So input is very much important. Then conversion, if you want to convert it, for that conversion level, we need to set up R&D team. We need to set up design team. We need to manufacture it, and after that, output will be product. Final outcome is product. So before this product R&D process, we need to identify market. We need to identify client needs. Then we need to study about that prototype, then project part, then how we can design it. So that on a particular level. These are the key factors. Usually what happens, companies use four specific dimensions. For example, process, organization, information, then technology. So what is the meaning of process? So process means what? Suppose I want to innovate. For that I need to have a strategy. I need to have a process. Companies must execute a set of fluid and repeatable processes. that can consistently scale up to that particular evaluation. This is the first point. Second will be organization. So for that organization, what is the role of organization? Organization need to
स्प्रे
set up
मारलाय
a
ना तुम्ही?
team. R&D team should be
स्प्रे मारलाय
separate.
ना?
Design team should be separate. Each and every team should,
मग ते असं
have
नसून
their
काहीतरी.
role. They need to identify what is my role. Each
मग.
and every member should have
चेक करा
different
ते काय
talents. So we
विदाउट
need
ह्याचं
to
कसं काय विक्री
activate
करून
that
देते
talent
ते
and we
गव्हर्नमेंट
need to
आहे
identify
रेस चालू
what
आहे
is the
सध्या ते
need of
सॅनिटायझरचं
talent.
कसं काय असं लगे
So
बँड टाकते
after
नाही
that,
मेंटलवर
third point is information.
इथं झालं तुम्हाला ती नेहमीचीच सवय आहे ना अशी घाण
How
सवय.
I can gather
तुम्ही त्या
that
दिवशी
information,
लोक
how I
आले त्या
can
दिवशी
source
बघितलं ना, असे
technology,
केसांना
how I can
काढून
answer
ठेवलं.
needs in technology. We need to identify. Then last is technology.
नक्कीच तुम्ही
Finally,
काढलं.
including
Huh?
upon all the processes, we need to leverage appropriate data, information, and we need to drive strategies.
जिम्मेदारी
And
नावाची
after
गोष्टच
this,
नाही.
all these things,
दोन
we
गोष्टी.
need to
काय
develop
ते तुम्ही
this.
ठरवा. माझ्या डोक्याला
Scale up.
त्रास होतो, त्रास.
So, before anything, we need to study hard. Study hard with smart strategy. It is not necessary we need to sit continuously. We need to study continuously, but do something which is innovative with smart study. So implementation, study efficiency, design, developing, and synthesizing that theory with the cycle of R&D team or R&D structure. So R&D is very much important because without any R&D you cannot develop a drastic thing or a different product. Without R&D or with R&D, that is a completely different thing. So we need to study, we need to back out, we need to begin this cycle, and after that only we need to set up our proper thing. After we'll turn to this technology market-oriented conversion process. So we need to make this session in an interactive. Sir, are you there? Vidate sir?
येस मॅम.
Hello?
हा येस मॅम.
Can you hear me, sir?
हा ॲडिएबल मॅम.
Yeah. So can I ask our audience some questions? Hello?
हा येस मॅम.
Can you ask something to our audience? Like it will be more interactive session.
So if anyone is having any questions, you can directly ask within the session.
Not questions actually. It will be more interactive.
Okay, yes
It's
ma'am.
not kind of lecture. We will give them some chances. If they have something in their mind, they can explain. No?
Oh, okay.
So, technological innovation will turn to this point. Input, conversion, output. These are the three key factors in technological concept. Product design, customer needs or satisfaction, scientific knowledge. This is the base of any product. Without any scientific knowledge, we cannot develop that product. So, product development part is completely depend upon these things: input, conversion, and output. Then we'll turn to next slide, technological innovation. There are three phases in technological innovation. There are three phases. First stage is phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Phase 1 is completely related to goal setting, project identification, project selection. Then phase 2 consists of R&D, research and development production. Phase 3 is diffusion. So we'll discuss about phase 1, how is goal setting, how we can set goals to execute that product, establish climate of innovation, constructing innovation investment. We need to construct that product, we need to make some portfolios, we need to do something for that particular product. So scientific approach, research and development, then diffusion are the three important key factors before developing any product or any prototype. Then we'll turn to coupling of processes. So what is the market need? Needs of a society. Let's say we are in this bad situation. We all are facing problem in this pandemic situation. So we need to find out what kind of solutions we can innovate for this pandemic situation. Nobody is discussing about solution. Everybody is discussing about problem. So I like to urge everyone, instead of gathering this so much problem, we need to focus on innovation. innovation and technology, these are the two different points. They are not interconnected actually, but we need to connect it because technology means what it is, which is tangible. We can see it. Let's say technology, we can see it because of Apple mobile, different technologies are there. We can see it, we can use it, tangible. But innovation is completely intangible. It means what? Innovation is kind of idea. It comes from your curiosity. So it is within you only. We need to find out how we can innovate anything. See, each and every person has some innovative things. So we need to focus how we can do how we can execute it. So we need to identify needs of society and the marketplace, and in that new needs, idea generation, research and development part, then production, prototype, manufacturing process, marketing and sales. This is the last point. Then after that, we need to publish in market. And if you want to market it, this is also a different level. So everybody is doing traditionally. So don't do more traditional. Do something, which others are not doing. So we need to focus on innovative process also, market share, what is the market need, how we can, grasp this thing, how we can execute on a different level in the market. So we need to identify. So new technology consists of this thing. Then integrative process. So implementation, integrative innovation, mobilizing resources, selecting innovation, formulating strategies, idea generation. We need to find out what is my idea, how I can, accumulate points to execute my idea. Idea generation, after that execution part, these are the key factors to execute anything on a simple or different level. So, integrative parallel process consists of marketing, research and development, product development, production engineering, parts manufacturing, manufacture joint group. We need to create some groups for marketing, for launching. So these are on level points. Like joint group meetings, we need to hire good people. See, everybody has talent, but we need to identify who has which talent. So talent identification is plays a process. So I think this is the main process. So technology decline, technology creation, technology monitoring, then technology maturity, assessment, technology utilization, technology transfer. After that, you will get feedback. So we need to, execute in market. After that, we need to ask people what is the feedback because feedback plays important role. Without any feedback, we cannot assure that my product is great or my product has that capability. So we need to take some feedback from audience also. So it is not necessary your product will be niche product. No, not necessary. You can design basic products. You can ask people what is the response. You search in market what people are finding out, what they are expecting from your side. So for technology, we need to identify all these things. Okay. So technology really is in the innovation. Sometimes we can ask ourselves, is it necessary as technology and innovation are the two important factors or interconnected? So yes, approaches to innovation concepts, technological innovation processes consist of different teamwork. See, one person cannot do everything. So we need to identify, we need to design teams. Okay. Hello, ma'am, can you hear me?
PPTs are visible now. Continue.
Visible, na? Okay.
Visible.
Wait a minute. Okay, so technological innovation process consists of this multidisciplinary teamwork. Without any teamwork, each person cannot do everything. So we need to design our with spirit, and it is not like everybody is doing something. No, we need to gather each and everyone's work. Then only we can design a team. Curiosity, divergence, resilience, these are the important key factors to develop a company, to develop your product. Okay. After that, systematic innovation. Without any system, without any innovation, we can't go in market and we can't say like this is my product. No. There are lots of R&D required. Okay. So these are the sources of innovative opportunities, unexpected, incongruity, process needs, industry market structure, demographics, perception, new knowledge. These are the important points for approaches to any innovation concept. Without any concept, we cannot design this innovative thing. So curiosity is also important. If you have that passion, if you have that gut, if you have that curiosity, then only you can design something different. Otherwise, you can do something others are doing. So if you want to be innovative person, an innovative person can do anything. If you have that passion, if you have that level of confidence, you can innovate anything in world. Like, for example, Thomas Alva Edison. What he has done? He has done lots of research. He got some failures, but he has got something different product which we all are using now. So this is the important factor. You should have innovative mind. You should have innovative things. Okay. So perception, new knowledge, knowledge is also important. So if you know global, why we are going to global market, so we can do business in India also. We can develop product in India also. Why to go global? But the thing is that if you want to go globally, first you need to stand yourself in your country. So first local for global. Why we are doing? Why we wait for that mission? Because if you want to go on a global level, we need to identify niche market as well as bottom level market. Without any R&D, without any prototype, without any design, without any team, we can't design anything. We can't do anything. So first establish yourself in local market, then expand slowly. But before that, you should have a vision of broad vision and broad category. So categorize yourself. What is your mission? What is your passion? Interconnect your mission with your passion. Then you can state your vision. So this is my humble advice to each and every innovative or technological system. See, sources of innovative opportunity. We need to identify opportunity. Don't use people, use opportunity because opportunity creates you a path for success. So unexpected, incongruity, the product processes for which there were no great expectations did not well. So expectation also important. So ask your client, ask your teammates, what are your expectations? How we can, design our innovative product. So without any expectation, we can design something good. Can you see my PPT, sir? Hello? Hello? So, wait a minute. So, according to me, these are the important key factors. We need to identify these are the things. I'm just opening my PPT. Extremely sorry for inconvenience. If you have any interactive queries, you can interact. Audience.
पानी पाहिजे ना पाहिजे रे बाबा पाणी
All
पाहिजे
participants, please mute yourself. All participants. Yeah, can you see? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, without any R&D, I just want to ask you all, if you are designing something, without any feedback, suppose you want to buy something. For that, you are doing research, right? So, why not for product? We are designing something different. So, we need to have roadmap, we need to have product design, we need to have outcomes also. So, design, categorize,
बंद
key factors for any product development. Then process needs industry market.
झालं ना 2:30 वाजेपर्यंत 3 वाजेपर्यंत
That restricts to knowledge-based innovation, new
बरं झालं.
knowledge. Why new knowledge? Suppose
I can
right
sort
now
of
I am using Nokia phone. Nobody will come to me and nobody will ask me why Nokia. Because Nokia, for example, let's say Apple brand. Why we are going for Apple? This is a brand, but technology also, iOS.
काय
So
त्यांनी ना
something different. That is why these
स्टेप
people
बाय
are
स्टेप
going
सगळंच
out.
घेतात
They
ना
are
ते
going like, I want to buy this, I want to buy
छोटे
that.
मोठे
So new knowledge is a superstar of entrepreneurship or any innovative product. So new knowledge, new technology. So every time you need to research about new technology, new long-lasting future. So characteristics of knowledge-based innovations are the longest lead time for innovation, longest vision. These are the things. So specific requirements of knowledge-based innovation. What are the specific requirements? Careful analysis. Without R&D, without analysis, we can't go further. A clear focus. We should have a clear focus on our particular thing. Suppose I'm going, but I'm going without aimless. So aimless, no, doesn't matter. We need to design our aim. We need to design our vision, mission. Then only we can set our target. Ability to learn. We need to learn each and every time, each and every second. We need to learn. We need to attend training. We need to attend something where I can get knowledge. We need to be hungry for knowledge. So this is the Vidya Vidya Shobhate. You know that. So every time you have knowledge, but you should have that kind of modesty also. So for technology is same. You need to learn. You need to learn. That's it. Ability to learn, practice entrepreneurial management, new knowledge plays vital role. So form, function, extent, and timing. Timing is also important. So what is the time? How we can go further with this time? Generation of adoption of technology, product, process, services, market, users. Who are the users? Suppose I am designing sanitizing machine. So I need to identify who will be my user, which is the buyer segment. We need to identify the client. Organization structure, we need to design it, we need to study about market, we need to study about client ratio, client things also, their expectations, how I can give them innovative things. We need to think about that level. So function, what contains in function, improve quality, reduces cost, performs new functions, enhances current market, increases current market offerings. You can enter into market, enhance economics. You can enhance your economic level also. So extend evolution, reorientation, evolution is very much important in anything. First to market, quick second, and quick things also important. Huh. So before that, I just want to tell you, due to this pandemic situation, from day one, I was just thinking how I can give innovations in my industry, in my country, how I can save people lives. For that, we need to design. We have started from day one. So after that, we have got this solution of pandemic innovation. Automatic hand sanitizer machine, touchless product. We have designed a number of products, and our customers are using because of our innovation. They like our product. They are happy with our service. They are happy with our design R&D team. Innovative software solutions we have designed. So all are happy because we have gone through some R&D process. We have gone through some client segmentation process. We have gone through some webinars. We have gone through some learning process. And after that, we have got this niche client market. So always think about this, and these are the pandemic situations. We have designed our own sanitizing machine, macro machine, which is completely without alcohol. Everybody is using alcohol, but we are not using alcohol because why to go with everyone? Suppose everybody is using alcohol, why people will come to Skylam or Skydeep? Because we have got some innovation. We have designed on a DC level. We have done this, R&D level. So DC level iodine water we are using in this our machine. So everybody is using like in Visakhapatnam, which USA company they have ordered this. So globally also we are exporting our machine.